Hi everyone, it's me Saif. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through another problems related to functions that may also require the concept of loop and some kind of conditions. So let's get started. The problem we have here is that write a function that takes a string as an argument and returns the number of vowels in the string. Okay, so here in the last video, I hope you can remember we discussed the problems related to how can you use list of integers. Here we have a string as our argument. That means we need to assign some kind of characters, and out of those characters it says we need to have the number of vowels. So we need to count how many vowel we have in those specific character or words. So let's start writing the code here. At first, let's define the function name. Let's say the name is count underscore vowel. Then with the parenthesis, we need to define the parameter. Here we should have one parameter, which is a string. Okay, cool. Then just give a colon symbol and hit the enter button. Here we by default having like 4 space. Now guys, what are the variable we should initialize here? The first variable I should initialize is like the vowels we have here. So that is A, E, I, O, U. We need to consider that for both uppercase and lowercase letter. After that, we may require another variable to count the number of vowels in a character or in some characters. So the count should start with 0, because every single time, it should have one increment with as many number of vowels as we have. Okay, cool. Now we need to define the loop here. So let's define for loop, and the iterating variable, let's say I. Now I should have sequence by following the string. So let's say we have 5 characters in the string. Then the loop should repeat for 5 times. So depending on the string, we need to define our loop accordingly. So that means for I in a string, then just use the colon and hit the enter button here. Now here guys, out of all the string, we need to look at the vowels. So we need to assign a condition like if I in vowels, then follow the formulas which says count is equal to count plus 1. So every single time count will have 1 increment based on the condition that we have vowels inside our string. Cool. Now what we want to have? We want to have finally how many number of vowels. That means we want to return the count variable here. Okay, now let me hit the run button here, and it works perfectly. Then let us call the function name count vowel, and inside that we should have some characters as our arguments. So let's write down 2 words like hello world. Okay, let me make it interesting. Let's say O is capital here, just to make sure that whether our function can correctly identify vowel or not. Okay, cool. So here we can have like E as a vowel, O as a vowel, then again uppercase O as a vowel. So we should have 3 number of vowels in our output. Now let me hit the run button here. You can see I got 3 as my output. So guys, depending on the loop, it will start counting from the first character like H, and if it's not vowel, then it will move forward with the second loop, then third, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12. So whatever number of character we have, that many times our loop will be repeated. Okay, let me see that. Let me add some other vowels. Let's see if it works. So let me add 2, 4 vowels. So now in total we have like 7 vowels. Now let me hit the run button here. You can see I got the result correctly. Well, I hope that sounds very interesting problem to you. See you in the next video with another problem like this. And till then, take care. Bye bye.